Flying on an airplane is the safest and easiest way to travel. But few airports put a strain on this theory, or the weather like massive crosswinds can turn the flight into a terrifying nightmare. Let's find out. Welcome on board to the Crosswind Airway. I'm sure every seat needed to be cleaned after this flight, and that pilot deserves a raise. This plane flew in the sky for a while and then tried to land again. Great job, pilot. No pain, no gain. Another footage of Star Alliance Airway landing on that stormy day. Awesome! The storm was playing hell on that plane and the pilot won it perfectly. And here we are in Hong Kong with the Boeing 747. Yes, kill that runway monster. Fuck that hash wind. This plane flew into the storm eye. Watch the cockpit view of what happened next. Visibility was almost zero, but this pilot made a risky decision to land. When there is a crosswind storm, this plane survives because of those desperate flapping wipers. And let's see how this B-52 takes off in a crosswind. That's why they said B-52 easily crabs all the way to the runway. What should a pilot never say in a job interview? Comments below. I am down to earth. But this pilot is up, buddy. Don't blow me like a joke. Welcome to the world's 9th most dangerous airport, Madeira Airport. Hats off to the pilots. In fact, crews have to take on extra training to land here. We are here on the island of St. Bart's, which has one of the most challenging airports in the world. You see, it's rough to land on a runway that has been squeezed between a public beach and a steep hill, which causes hash wind, but also the busiest road on top. Real tricky approach. We are here at Salzburg Airport with a breathtaking crosswind landing during a storm, which is the heaviest aircraft. Amazing how the wind throws these planes around like toys. Come on, it's the famous Boeing 747. This is a conversation at the airport lounge in Manchester that day. Oh, that's some cute wind there. By the way, this is an Antonov AN-225 Maria. Damn, the world's largest plane just flew by. Antonov be like, hey wind, do you even lift? Fun fact that me trying to take off every single time I play the flight simulator in perfect weather, but I failed. What a fabulous landing in extreme conditions. This Antonov pilot was coming up no matter what. Took that takeoff like a boss. This extremely quite low scene is from the RAF airship. Hold on to your hat. What? Does it hold your breath too? This A380 was about to land with poor visibility during Storm Eunice. The wind gust of 122 miles per hour was recorded on that day. Eunice brought many means of transportation to a standstill. Of course, landing seemed to be an impossible mission with these pilots that day. These crews had a very challenging landing during such extreme weather. Due to harsh winds, the plane must be crabbed during its landing. This storm called Herwart made a horrible and unforgettable landing day for all planes at Salzburg Airport.
If you have any further questions, please contact us, and we apologize for the delay.
Insane! Passengers must have been holding their breaths for the entire approach. Powerful winds swept through with speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour. That's why it blew the planes like feathers. Another plane had to abort the landing, and let's keep counting to see how many more. Look at that turbulence! What a hard landing day! It's like being on a roller coaster has been on a plane landing in strong winds. This plane had to divert to Munich Airport. Landing in this storm is an impossible mission for these pilots that day. This is why I prefer to travel by horse, a Mongol said. But let's see if this plane can win this fucking awful weather. And he did it! Excellent! I have mad respect for the pilots that land these massive machines in atrocious weather like this. storm comes a calm. After a safe landing, there the fireworks await. Happy New Year to everyone. Best wishes to you and your family.